What's up, guys? It's Dennis from Do It All Garage. Today's video is going to be about building your own soft washer, okay, which I did. And just for time constraints, I'm going to try to go over it as quickly as possible. First off, I want to say that I ordered a soft washer. It's the brand new soft washer from Northstar. They run about $3.99 without a battery. They have a 4-gallon a minute pump. They're all set up with a battery box, a cart, a gun, hoses, everything. So basically you put a battery in it and you go. I ordered it at the end of July, like right at July 26th. Today is October 3rd. I don't have it yet. It's still on order. I may keep that one too. I might send it back. I don't know yet. But this one here cost me about $350 to build. Okay, it's a little Ironton. Okay, it's got a 13-gallon tank, a little cart that you have to assemble. It does come with, I think, 11 feet of 3/8 reinforced poly hose, or PVC hose, whatever you call it. It comes with a 1 gallon per minute pump, like that one shown in this picture here. And there's the item number, by the way. Looks like 282790. There's the specs. If any of you want to pause the video and look at those. Okay. So it looks like that. Maybe some different specs over here. Okay. But I went to Northstar and I purchased a 5.5 gallon per minute 60 psi pump. It does not have the quick connects. I'm just not familiar enough with those to be comfortable with them. I don't know how durable they are, so I went with the 1/2-inch NPT ports. I did order this filter off of Amazon. It's got a 1/2-inch male fitting, 1/2-inch NPT male fitting. It's got a clear screen or a clear cup on it so you can see it priming and see what's in there. And then I got these from Lowe's. They're 1/2-inch to 1/2-inch barbs. It's got a male 1/2-inch on one end and a 1/2-inch barb on the other. The intake line, or the suction line coming out of the tank, is 1/2-inch, and I went with 3/8 on the other side, on the output side. Okay. That pump is about $159. You can coupon it and get about 20 bucks off if you have the right coupon. The pump is wired with a quick connect right here. And this unit, when you buy this, it comes with these battery clamp setups with a switch in it. Okay, and I'm going to turn it on real quick. It's fairly quiet. And this thing's leaking right now because I just wanted to put it together quickly to make sure it was going to work and make sure I could get some distance out of it before I went and, you know, put tape, plumber's tape on everything and sealed everything up. I'm going to do that, but I wanted to show you guys how well it worked. It does have little pneumatic tires on it, little steel wheels. It's got a screw-on cap. I think it's a 7-inch cap with threads on it. Nice big port right there. Again, this isn't the final setup, but it's how it's going to be for now. I was just testing it out. I'm still going to plumb in a few more things. As far as that gun, that's just a regular little cheap power washing gun. My neighbor actually set an electric power washer out on the curb, and it was pretty much junk, but I saved the gun. So what I did, I got a I think it's a M22 fitting adapter to a 3/8. So it's basically like the same size as a female water hose, and it goes down to a female 3/8 fitting. And then I got a 3/8 brass barb, and that's what I clamped the hose to. On here I got a 1/4 inch, sorry, I'm trying to work the camera, sorry for the movement, but I got a 1/4 inch quick connect like you see on the end of any power washing gun, and this pipe here is also 1/4 inch. And I've got my little blue nozzle in here. The battery has said you needed a group 24 battery. So I got one from Walmart. They're $49.99. They come with a 1-year warranty, and they have a handle on them, which is nice. And again, guys, this isn't my final setup on this. I just wanted to put it together real quick to make sure it was going to work. I do have a few jobs lined up with it already, so bear with me. I'm going to show you how it sprays. The phone's going to be moving around. Okay, so I've got a blue tip on here right now. It's got a really small orifice. I've got a pink tip, which is and these are all just standard 1/4 inch for pretty much any power washer. I've got a pink tip. It's a soap tip that you can use for shooting soap up really high if you're downstreaming or whatever. I got the black tip, which is like a fan spray for soap. And then I got this at Walmart. This is an adjustable tip. It's fan or stream, also 1/4 inch. All right, guys, so I got the blue tip on here. Let's see how far it goes. That's a horizontal spray. I would say that's probably 35 or 40 feet right there. Something like that. Now I'm gonna try the pink tip. Okay. Got a lot more volume out of that one and a little more distance, so I'll probably be using that one for height. Let's go with the black tip. I'm gonna make sure you guys can see the concrete here. Okay, just to show you the fan pattern. So even with the black tip doing the fan pattern, it looks like it still goes about 20 feet, which is really good. So now I'm going to try this adjustable nozzle. I think I got this I know I got it at Walmart. It was somewhere between $5 and $10. I just wanted to try it out. Hopefully you can see that it opens and closes right there. You just twist it to adjust it. So I've got it open right now, I think. Let me point the camera back down to the street and see how far it shoots. All right, guys, sorry about that. Got a $1,000 phone, and apparently it overheats after about 8 minutes in this 90-degree weather that we have here in Texas. So anyway, I got cut off right there. I'm going to use that adjustable fan and stream tip that I got at Walmart, $5 to $10, somewhere in that range. I did measure from right here where I'm going to be standing to the center of the street is 40 feet. I have to turn the pump back on. Okay, so this is the fan pattern on it. Pretty good fan pattern, high volume. Let's see how far it goes. So that reaches, sorry about that, that reaches about 35 to 40 feet just with that little gun. Again, I've got some final adjustments to do to this thing. I'm going to weld a little tray on it for the battery and mount the battery box on it. That way I can have the battery and everything just all set up and it's ready to pull around. And I'm going to make a handle for it. So if you don't have a welder, you can just go get some steel or aluminum and drill some holes and bolt everything together. You don't have to weld it, but I do have a welder luckily, so that's what I'm gonna do. So anyway, this entire soft wash setup, you know, you can buy a sprayer and modify it for three to 400 bucks, depending on, you know, what all you have to buy and what all you already have. So yeah, one thing I do want to note, I did order a 7-gallon per minute SureFlow pump off Amazon. It was about 200 bucks. I ordered it with that little filter that you're seeing. And just something for you guys to keep in mind, that 1 gallon per minute pump that Ironton sprayer came with has the same mounting bolt pattern as the 5.5 gallon, the 4 gallon, and the 3 gallon. So basically from 1 to 5.5, from the research that I've done, they all have the same mounting pattern, okay? The 7 gallon per minute, which is the one I initially wanted, it's way bigger. So I would have had to drill holes in that tank and use spacers to raise it up off the plastic to keep the heat away from it and all that, because I've heard they get really hot. You know, I'm gonna send that one back. I may keep it because I plan on building a pressure wash trailer, and I'm gonna need a pump to feed water from a tank to my power washer, so I may keep it. I don't know, but I went with the 5.5 gallon, and so far I'm pretty happy with it. Again, this is like the, you know, first time I've used it. I just wanted to share it with you guys, just in case any of you guys are thinking about doing this. You don't have to go out and spend, you know, $1,000 or $2,000 on one of these systems. You can make it yourself. Another thing is, before any trolls get on here, I don't know how long this is going to last. Again, first time using it. I'm sharing it with you guys. I'm sharing what I built and the time and money that I put in this thing with you guys. So hopefully it'll help some of you out. Might even help you make some money. I don't know. But so there it is. I hope I'm not forgetting anything. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them down in the comments. I'll do my best to answer them. Comments are welcome too. Trolls, shut your mouth. So signing off, I'm gonna go make some money, and hopefully you will too. Thanks for watching.